Hello friends! Let's learn different ways to represent a number. Let's see some of the ways you can use to represent number 9. You can use letters and write the word 9. You can use tally marks and mark 9. You can have 9 objects. You can show your fingers 9, or you can mark 9 dots on a tens frame. These are some of the ways you can use to represent number 9. Hello friends! Let's play a number game. It's a number match. You have to match number 9 with 9 objects or things. Where here do you see 9 things? 9 airplanes, 9 guitars, or 9 snakes? 9 snakes. Very good. Now let's try again. Where here you can count 9 things. 9 balls, 9 butterflies, or 9 French fries. Let's count the French fries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 9 French fries. This is number 9. You can represent number 9 by writing 9 using letters, by showing 9 fingers, by having 9 things or objects, or marking 9 dots on a tens frame, or having 9 tally marks.